What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Last video you saw, we started working on the E46 to find out we have a busted coil pack and a destroyed spark plug. So we're here at AutoZone. I don't know if you can see that. We're here at AutoZone and we picked up a brand new coil pack and one spark plug. So it's not a permanent solution, but it's going to be used to figure out, is that the main issue? Because if not, then we're going to have to dig deeper into the car, find out what's actually going on with it. So let's head back to the crib and what is this guy doing? Okay, let's head back to the crib, throw this stuff on. I got a little bit of work to do, but not too much. So let's get going. So in the last video, here we go with the bullshit. With the last video, we found out that I thought the 6 spark plug port was stripped. It's actually not stripped. The spark plug itself just wasn't the right plug. So that's okay. They're all okay. So I'm gonna get a new plug in there and then throw new coil packs in there, start it up and see if we still have the same problem. If not, perfect. All right, like mentioned, we got our new plugs. Let's go ahead and throw that in there. Get this in the 6th head, the 6th cylinder, all the way in the back. Let's get our handy dandy tool, get that in there, and then we can go ahead and thread that down. All right, so all our plugs are in there and seated, all 6 of them. And now we can go ahead and put these coil packs on there, start it up, see if we still have the issue, and then hopefully we don't, because I'm not trying to do this shit anymore. All right, plugs are in, bolts are in, everything's tightened down. That's all good. We just gotta plug that connector back on there, start it up, and then see what we got. All right, let's see. That's good. Let's see. Oh. Oh my God, what is going on? Oh, okay. We're getting somewhere. It's running a little bit better. It might be the math. Let's see. Actually, it's sounding nice now. Sounding a little bit better. Oh, it's not connected. Hold up. Yes, sir. There we go. Yes, sir. All right. That shit is shaking like crazy, though. Okay, yes, sir. All right, we got it driving. It runs kind of rough. Maybe it needs new spark plugs all around, but we got it driving. It will not be on the road. It's in gear ASAP, but we got it driving. We got to run some codes, see where this misfire is coming from. Obviously, we know what's going on. We just got to replace all the plugs and coils and then go from there. I got it to run, my boy. The car runs, it drives. There is a vacuum leak somewhere that's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and order new plugs, new coils all around, and then I'm gonna dive into this vacuum leak. But I'm not gonna do it now, it's too damn hot. So I'm gonna come out here later on today, tackle this and see what we find. It very much so could also be the fuel injectors. Yeah, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to dive into that later as well. So, all right. We got it to drive. The main thing was to get it to drive. So later on, we'll come back out here and see what's going on with the intake side. So I came back out here. to clear some code, see what we have. So cylinder 2 and cylinder 6 are misfiring, and then there's a vacuum leak. So I ran the codes. We're gonna see what parts are needed and whatever, and then get this thing running. But right now it's idling fine. It had a little spike, but my foot's not on the gas or anything. It's idling completely fine. Sounds like a muscle car, low key though. I charged the next morning, did a little bit of shopping. But as far as the BMW, we got out the fuel rail. So fuel rail's out. I already ordered some, injectors, so that should be here sometime this week. And then we can go ahead and start it. See if we have any misfiring issues, any codes. From there, why is my camera so... But that's pretty much where we're at with the BMW right now. Your boy did some shopping though, on some every video something is falling, yo. Anyway, your boy did some shopping. We got us a grill. Got this on clearance though. How much is it normally? 128, got it for 76. That's cool. Got some grilling stuff, cause you know your boy crazy on the grill and on the cast iron and with the meats, pause. So got some grilling stuff, and we finna cook some good stuff. But that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next episode. We throw those injectors on, we get the car started, we see where we're at, and potentially we can drive it around town.